welcome to another episode of Grateful.
Every day.
I'm Pat,
Letty.
and he's...
Lola.
Ayan, stand up. Sit down. And today we're going to unbox
My present.
our gift from Mommy Mundo.
Yeah.
So, this is our gift.
Okay, mommy ordered it.
Yeah, it's an anatomy set from
Wow.
Janod. Okay, so let's open it.
Let's open it. It has magnets.
Mm-hmm. Open it, open it, open it.
I'll go open it.
There are so many great deals on Mommy Mundo. So, just shop. It's $9.9.
Wow. A box. It's opening.
Wow, can you see that? Okay, so this is the basic board.
Yeah.
This is the basic board that you can have
Look!
in your room.
Look! Look! Look!
That's a silica gel to preserve its freshness. Because it's wood.
Look at me with the baby bag.
Come here, Leon. Come here.
The bottle.
Let's use the guide.
Daddy.
It's
Mommy,
written.
you want it?
Where is it? The body's right here.
I want it.
Oh no. Okay, come here, come here. Okay, let's open the guides. You want to sit? I'm sorry. Here. Okay.
I like open my teeth.
Okay, so the guide cards are very sturdy. See that? And I think it's translated in several languages. Okay, so yeah, this one is the one in English. So if you're trying to learn new languages, I think this is a good way to learn.
Look, Mommy.
This one's in French.
Look, look.
Those are the magnets. Okay, let's start. Okay. Let's do it one by one. The body. Wait. Okay. I'll put the magnet parts here. And you tell me where it will go. You want to do a boy or a girl?
A boy.
A boy. Okay, let's do a boy. Okay,
Okay.
I'll do the first one.
Look. There are more buttons.
It says on the box 7 and up. Laji's 5 today and Len's just 2. So I guess I really need to supervise them when they use this. This one's for another card. We're going to use this one first.
This sound is so small.
The one with skin.
This is so
That's the muscle. Okay, so I think let's use all the beige parts first. All the beige pieces.
What's this? My what is
I think it goes here on the other side. Oh,
Oh no, the hand.
oh here. Oh,
yeah.
there. Is that right?
Yeah.
Not sure.
I don't like.
Oh, it's the neck there.
It's upside down.
Oh, this is the intestine. It's for another guide card.
Oh, look.
Just all the
Look,
beige
look,
pieces.
It's a hand. It's a hand. Here it is. Yeah.
This is the other side of the chest.
There was a hand.
This is his shoulder.
What?
Where would that go? Here. There. Okay, next part.
We're going here.
Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes.
Go.
Oh, I think this goes here.
Yeah?
Mhm.
No. What are these?
Yeah, that's his arm.
That is ours.
Mm-hmm.
Now what?
That's his arm and his armpit.
My look, what is that? What the button go here? My what button go here? Yeah?
No, only Only the beige parts for now, Leon.
What?
Only the beige parts. Only the beige parts.
Only the big.
I don't know if that goes there.
What's that? What's that, Mike? What does that mean?
It says leg.
It's upside down like this.
This is tummy.
I don't think so. Let's just finish all the things.
You can even sing in Filipino. Tuhod, balikat, ulo. Tuhod, balikat, ulo. Tuhod, balikat, ulo.
Mommy, no, I don't know even what it is. I don't even know. My bottle.
Which one? The muscle?
Yeah.
We'll do the muscles later, okay?
Oh, look.
Look, that's the skull. You have to look for the beige pieces.
Here. This is all. Look, where's the hands? I can't find the hands. No, it's not here. No. Where's the hands?
Oh, this is for the girl. It's a different puzzle. It's for the girl. Okay? Where are the hands? I don't know.
Look.
You have to search for them. Oh, there's an arm. Okay. Put an arm.
That's a leg.
Oh, it's a leg. Oh, here's a thigh. Okay.
Let's look for a flying. Let's look for another flying.
Oh, here.
Look, my weapon.
There it
Go.
is.
Where does this part go?
Okay.
Why the part have this? Looks like a snake.
This is for... Can you teach me the parts of the body? Sit down here, Leon.
This is the tummy.
Mhm.
This is the boobs.
Okay. I can't find the other arm. Oh, here.
This would be very cool.
There's the other...
Arm.
That's a skeleton arm.
This is still.
Oh, here's one foot. Let's look for another foot. Oh, here.
Oh no, it's fake.
Yay! One more hand. Look for the hand. Yeah. That's the muscular hand.
I'm gonna find the hand. Oh, I found the hand.
There. Okay. Can you look for the other foot? Here. No, it's the skeletal foot.
It's a different.
There.
Look, it's a kitten.
We finished one card. Okay, which one would you want to do next?
Let's try this one.
Oh.
The kitten.
The organs. Okay, so this card is in French. Just remove all the parts. Here. No. Here, and the other side of the box. So you wouldn't get confused. Here. So we're done with that. Let's put it all here. Oh, that's the girl.
What's the girl?
Okay. Okay. So let's do the organs. Okay. So what's the first part? The boy with the brain. Okay. There's the other half of his face. There. That's his brain. I'll work on my French later. This is Japanese.
Where's the tummy go? Oh, there's the arm.
Put the arm.
Yeah. No, that's a skeleton. What? That's a kitten. Brown arm.
This one's Spanish. Is it English?
No.
No.
Oh, okay. No,
It's-
hand. I used the card.
It's Dutch.
I used the card. That's the hand.
This is Russian.
That's the
This is...
Oh, wow. Look at that.
Oh, this one's in English. The organs.
What are they?
No, this one is... I'm not sure which which language this is.
Mommy, with another hand.
Okay, look for the hand. Look for the hand.
That's another hand.
Okay. Okay, so there's the lung.
What's another one?
The lung and the heart.
Another one. Look.
Wow. This is part of the intestine. Leon, don't block the way. Come on, stay here. Stay here. Wow.
Okay, let me find.
There. So this is the
Gall.
gallbladder and the
It's
pancreas.
gonna go.
Okay.
This gotta go. Here?
I don't think so. Where's a better part to put this? Here. Here.
Wait, we start the part?
Here.
Yeah.
Those are the veins and the arteries.
You do that. Oh, that's another hand. No.
That's a skeletal hand. Yeah, that's right. That looks better. They match.
Ha.
Okay.
Hand.
What about this one?
Then we're doing hand too. There. A leg. Skeleton hand.
Is that a skeleton hand? Yes, it's a skeleton hand. Okay.
What
Okay,
is that one?
sit down, take it up. Okay, this one is the other part of the intestine. This is the large intestine, the small intestine, the stomach, the liver.
What's this? What's this?
So the middle part,
No.
the yellow one is the pancreas, the one in the center.
No.
Okay, look for the other leg. There it is.
Oh.
There it is. Oh, this is the arm. And this one goes here. Goes here. They actually ordered a plastic skeleton from Shopee before, but now the parts are missing.
What parts?
The one that's shaking. Yeah, we ordered it for Halloween. For early Halloween. During the 8/8 sale. The August 8 sale. Yeah. I think the magnetic parts of this board is easier to keep than that because these are flat. But we'll see after 2 months. Okay. So
If I go here,
ooh,
yeah.
I think that's the muscular puzzle.
Yeah.
We'll use it for another round. Okay?
There's no one. No, not
What's that? What's that?
I
It's a
guess
skeletal hand again. Oh, this one. You put it on the puzzle. Where would it go? I don't think so. That's the neck. It's the neck. This one is the thigh. Put it here. Put it here. There. That's the right lung and the left lung. The heart. What's this? The trachea. And there, the bladder, the rectum.
What's that?
We're finished! Yay! Okay, let's do another one.
Put it back.
Or are you tired?
Let's put another one.
Let's put another one. Okay. Okay.
I'll get it. No, that's the other one.
Okay.
Let's do this one.
Let's do the skeleton. Leon loves Halloween. Come here.
Me too. I love Halloween. Bye. Mr. Bang.
It's Halloween. It's Halloween. It's Halloween.
It's a neck.
Other side.
Like in the water.
Where?
That's
That's the rib cage.
Is mine?
Rib cage. Yeah.
Look, mine. Look. Attack. Attack.
Hmm.
Oh, No,
There.
that's a guess. See the instructions. This is stuck on my foot. I can't see it anymore.
Sit down here on the other side. On the other side, Leon. Okay, where else? So all the gray puzzle pieces. Use all the gray ones.
Mommy can't move.
Just fix it. There.
I can move.
Okay, so this is the orbital bone. This is the skull. It's the hard casing of the
Mommy,
brain.
the middle one.
Hmm. Oh, that's for another puzzle. Okay.
Is this one over the puzzle? Oh, there's one there.
Leggy enjoys anatomy.
I
think it
got
has to go here.
I got the mommy.
The first part that
I got Halloween.
Leggy managed
I
to
got
say when she was a baby
Halloween,
was heart.
Mommy, I got Halloween.
Would
I
it
used to
stick?
check Daddy
Would
like
it
this.
stick? No. It has to be another puzzle. It
Yeah.
has to be another card. Okay.
Look, another dancing bone. I'm
Okay.
confused.
You're
Look,
confused?
another dancing bone.
Which one? Here.
What's here?
That's a radius.
That's another
And the
hand.
ulna.
Oh, that's the hand.
Yes, it's a hand.
Oh,
That's the carpal bone and the metacarpal.
oh, that's another one.
Phalanges and this one is the
No,
fibula.
toe.
this one is the toe. Yes, that's right. Toe.
Little cake.
Hmm. What's that? The radius. There. Which one? What? This one? What's this? This is the femur.
Look,
Put it there. Put it there. Put it there.
bone. A kitten bone.
You got another bone. Where will it go? There. We finished another card. Hmm.
Oh no.
Yay! We finished
Let's
another
do the
puzzle.
girl.
Let's do the girl.
Again.
Yeah. Do the dance. Do the dance in front of them. Dance, dance, dance. They can't see. They can't see. Dance, dance, dance. Dance, dance, dance. Oh, come here. Come here. Okay. So we'll put all the puzzle pieces back in the box. Back in the box. Back in the box.
Mommy.
What?
I don't want them.
Okay. Let's do the girl. Okay. So what's the first part?
Girl.
This one's in Spanish. Cabeza. Cabeza is head.
Mommy, what are the way?
Cabello is
A
here.
barrel.
Mm-hmm.
What is a barrel?
The eye is ojo.
I go here. This.
Ojo. Oreja.
But this also spells mata also.
Mata in Philippine. Nariz.
Yeah.
Oh, what's this? What's this? I think it's a thigh. Yes, that's right. I, is it a thigh? No, it's a tummy.
Tummy.
Half of the tummy.
I think this is the tummy. I think it's the tummy.
Ombligo is pusod or
No,
navel.
it's the tummy.
Okay, it's the tummy. Okay.
They want to know tummy.
Okay, we're having so much fun here, but I guess this is